Hey folks, welcome to the channel. Here after a fairly good day. So I've got two accounts over the threshold for pushing to the funded accounts, the master's account, I think Bulenox call them. One of them did fail, one of them blew up, but I should have three funded accounts starting in December, so that's good. Fairly good day. It was a bit wild while I was trading it, but in the end it did work out. In terms of my first trade, if I just go to the summary of my trades, I took a long hair. It was a sort of triple bottom sort of pattern here, so I was expecting price to go higher, and then we just formed this nice rejection candle off previous day's volume point of control, out of the moving averages which were declining above. That looked like a really perfect sell entry actually, but because I was in the trade, I couldn't take it obviously, and it's not part of my strategy. It just looked great there. Um, if I didn't have my 5 minute strategy and I traded the 5 minute, I would 100% have taken that trade. It looks perfect. But yeah, anyway, because it was so perfect, it stopped me out at these lows. Got a slightly poorer fill than I wanted, but fair enough, that's fine. And then came back in the New York session, and that's where things got a bit wild. I was trading a lot today because I don't want to trade tomorrow. I don't want to trade Friday when the markets are closing early. It might be slower. It might be more lethargic. And I just wanted to get it done with and get some funding accounts before December. So I pushed it a lot today. All throughout the day, I was trying to get the profits up, but I think at around this point, I gave up. What was happening is I was making some profits and then losing them, and I was just sticking at around break even. I just couldn't get any good wins from this market, even though we were just going down. If I just sold at any point and just held it, I would have been fine. But that's not what I did. And yeah, I guess I just took fairly poor trades. So I took a lot of good trades, but then they were sort of ruined by the poor trades I took, where I just went in too early, or I was trading like 15 second or something like that and going crazy, trying to make profits. So eventually, I stopped doing that. I stopped trading micros at that point, and I just went to trading middies, and it ended up being a lot easier for me. I just took really good trades in the end, and yeah, it was fairly easy to pass after that. Fairly good trades, and with big size. So I think I stopped trading. I stopped trading micros around this point. Ignored all of this. I think I took a long hair with 5 minis. Traded big size um, with one of my accounts, so I traded them separately, but took that trade, closed around these highs. I think I took a sell here as well. So we came back to the moving averages, double bottom there, and then I took a sell there, closed around this level. And yeah, it just became really easy. Every time we pulled back, I would sell it when we got nice candles. This one we swept this high, sold off there, sold it there. So it's been a fairly good day after I started calming down a bit. But while I was trying to push with micros, it wasn't really, I was going nowhere really. So I just upped the size and took better trades. Um, But yeah, that's it for me. I don't really have anything I really need to say about my trading today. It was really me just trying to pass these qualification counts so that I don't need to trade tomorrow or Friday. And then from next week onwards, I'll be trading the funded accounts. I've got by December I should have, so next month essentially next week I should have seven funded accounts to trade with. I'm not sure how I'll divide them, but I'll probably separate them into two, three, and work with different strategies with these, and just see how things go. Okay, I think that's all that I need to discuss. Oh yeah, one other change to my channel I think this I should probably mention is I'm not going to be doing short videos anymore. From all of my research, everything that I've looked at is a pretty bad idea for my channel to have long form content and short form content at the same time. It tends to bring in people that aren't interested in watching videos for more than 30 seconds. So that's fine. These people can exist. They're fine. I do it all the time, but it's not what I want for my channel. So I'll be moving away from that and just doing long form content. So this will be the summary videos and the live streams every day. When I'm a little bit better at the just had to yawn. When I'm a little bit better at the 2 minute strategy, I might think about live streaming that as well. But it'll be a fairly brief session most of the days. I normally trade around 9:40, and I can often capture trade within 10-15 minutes. But I'm still debating that. I'll want a bit of time with that, and I'll see how that goes. But yeah, that's all from me today. Hope you've had a good day. Take care, and I will catch you next week. Bye.